Tired of manually entering leads from your website into Zoho CRM? Let's streamline that process by integrating Fluent Forms with Zoho CRM, turning website submissions into automated leads in your CRM. First, make sure you have both the Fluent Forms and Zoho CRM plugins installed and activated within your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Fluent Forms and then click on Global Settings. Now, select the Zoho CRM tab here. You'll need to connect your Zoho CRM account. Click on Get Zoho CRM Authorization. You'll be redirected to Zoho, where you'll log in and grant Fluent Forms permission to access your CRM data. This is crucial for the integration to work. Once authorized, you should see your Zoho CRM account connected here. Now, let's create the integration for a specific form. Go to your Fluent Forms dashboard and select the form you want to connect to Zoho CRM. Go to the form settings and find the Marketing and CRM Integrations tab. Click on Add New Integration. Select Zoho CRM from the drop-down menu. Give your integration a descriptive name, like New Website Lead. Now comes the mapping part. Choose the Zoho CRM module you want to send the data to. Typically, leads is the most common. Then, match the fields in your Fluent Form to the corresponding fields in your Zoho CRM. For example, map the name field in your form to the first name field in Zoho CRM. Repeat this process for all relevant fields, like email, phone number, and any other custom fields you've created in both Fluent Forms and Zoho CRM. You can also add conditional logic to your integration. For example, you could only send data to Zoho CRM if a certain condition is met in the form submission. Once you're happy with the mapping and conditional logic, click Save Settings. Now, test your integration by submitting a test entry through your Fluent Form. Check your Zoho CRM to confirm that the lead is created with all the correct information, and that's it. You've successfully integrated Fluent Forms with Zoho CRM, automating your lead capture and boosting your workflow efficiency.